NRA 2025, True with Guns America. We are at the Kel-Tec booth. All right, brand new from Kel-Tec, we have the Sub2000 in 10mm. They just announced this. So the way this thing works is it folds up, it folds over, and locks in just like that, and that way you can still mount a red dot on it. To being in 10, this takes Glock 20 or 21 mags. So as you can see, that's an actual Glock mag. Goes right in the grip here. Semi-automatic, 10mm carbine, 16-inch barrel. We got pick rail down the top, pick rail down the bottom, M-lock on the sides. It's ready to be sighted in. To fold it up, you simply pull the trigger guard here. This twist, spins over, and then it locks into the M-lock rail right here, just like that, so that it's ready to be shoved in your backpack. Pretty darn cool. I love it. Let us know in the comments if you would carry this and what you would use it for.